In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link a debit card to the Lyft Driver app in 2026, step by step. To get started, open the Lyft Driver app on your iPhone or Android device and sign into your driver account if you haven't already. Make sure you're using the driver app, not the regular passenger app, since payout settings are managed through the driver's side. Once you're inside the app, look for your profile picture or the menu icon and tap it to open your account settings. This is where Lyft keeps most of the important account and payment options, so if the layout looks a little different on your device, don't worry. App versions can vary slightly. From there, go to the section labeled Earnings, Payouts, or Payment. The exact wording may depend on your app version, but you're looking for the area where Lyft manages how you receive your money. If you drive regularly and want faster access to earnings, this is the section you'll want to get familiar with. Next, tap on Express Pay, Payment Methods, or Debit Card. Again, the name might be a little different depending on your app, but the goal here is to open the payout settings where you can manage your linked debit card. If you haven't added a card yet, choose Add Debit Card. This will take you to the screen where you can enter your card details. Type in the required information carefully, including the cardholder name, the debit card number, the expiration date, the CVV security code, and, if requested, your billing zip or postal code. It's important to enter everything exactly as it appears on your card. Even a small mistake, like a wrong number or mismatched billing code, can cause the card to be rejected. Also, make sure you're entering a debit card and not a credit card, since payout features like Express Pay typically require an eligible debit card. After entering the information, tap Save, Continue, or Submit to add the card to your account. The app may then ask you to complete a verification step for security purposes. If that happens, just follow the on-screen prompts. This could include confirming your identity or approving the update before Lyft allows the card to be used for payouts. Once that's done, go back to the Express Pay or Payment Methods section and check that your debit card is now listed as your active payout method. That final confirmation lets you know the card has been successfully linked. And that's it! You've now connected your debit card to the Lyft Driver app.